Hello kids, welcome to our fun learning adventure. Today we are going to learn how to count from 1 to 5 using simple addition. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's start with number 1. Here's 1 apple. Now, if we add 1 more apple, what do we get? 1 apple plus 1 apple equals 2 apples. Great job. Now let's count 2 apples. If we add 1 more apple, what do we get? 2 apples plus 1 apple equals 3 apples. Wow, you are doing amazing. Here's we have 3 apples. Let's add 1 more apple to it. Can you guess what comes next? 3 apples plus 1 apple equals 4 apples. Fantastic work. Now we have 4 apples. Let's add 1 more to it. 4 apples plus 1 apple makes 5 apples. Thank you for learning with me today, kids. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun lessons. Thank you for watching.